Okay, today we are bleeding the air from this engine. Somebody did a thermostat and he's complaining about after he did the job at home, he's not getting good heat. So the reservoir, it has two hoses. So I disconnect the hose, it's coming from the engine, and put it into this electric fuel pump. I put a hose, and now this hose I put it back in the reservoir. This way we get in all the air out of the lines without starting the car. See, it's nice and clean. Other than this thing looks like water. I gotta check it out. Let's see. It looks dirty. Let's see, I have my tester right here. I don't have my tester. I got one. But anyway, I make the video in a little bit. So now this one I getting no more bubbles, so that's really good. Now I'm gonna connect this hose again, which is this one. That's coming from the engine. I have this other one that's coming from the radiator. So now I'm gonna put this one back together right here, this one, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I'm gonna suck all the air out of the radiator and put it back in here. It's supposed to do it all by himself, but sometimes when you get an air pocket or something, it's hard to get it out of there. So I'm using electric fuel pump, and I have some jumper wires. I'm going straight to the battery from the same car, and as you can see, there's no more bubbles. It's just antifreeze. All right, let's do the other one now. All right, now I connect my pump and the hose that's coming from the radiator. It's coming from here. So let me plug it in. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I get air out there. Let's see. Yep, I'm getting some bubbles. See, I'm put it all the way down there so you can see. Bubbles and no more bubbles. So let's say it was only a little bit. I'm gonna let it run for 1 minute or two, and that way I know 100% that I don't have any air in my cooling anymore. And today is a really cold day, so you need to have heat. So by bleeding the air from the engine block or the radiator, it will help you to get heat. Or if you lose heat after that, then you have a leak somewhere. All right, good luck.